Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change a template in Wix to give your website a fresh new look. Whether we are redesigning our site or just trying a different style, this process makes it easy to update our layout. On the Wix dashboard, we just need to click on Templates. Once we are here, we need to create a new site. From here, we can start from a template. Now we just have to select the template we want to use. We can then view the template to see how it looks. If we are happy with our choice, we simply click Edit Template and wait for it to load. Once the editor opens, we can edit the template to suit our needs. If anything needs changing, we make our edits, then connect the site to our domain and publish. And that is how we change a template in Wix in just a few simple steps. With a fresh design, our site can look more modern and work better for us.